I don't have the same opinion. Um, when we look at so going back to what I originally mentioned, the Thema Mundi. I don't know. I mean, hopefully there's at least some people here that are familiar with the Thema Mundi. The Thema Mundi is what's the English translation would be the birth chart of the world. Thema is the chart, Mundi is world, and it's a ancient. There's a word I'm looking for. Like a pedagogical technique, pedagogical piece of information that is used to help teach astrology and kind of the relationships of the planets. And we see in the Thema Mundi, the the different domicile rulerships are represented there. We see the solar half of rulership and the lunar half of rulership. And then we see the different aspects that are laid out. And so it's within that chart that we understand what planetary archetypes are associated with the different aspects. So Mars is responsible for the square and the archetype of the square. And this is because of how Mars is represented in the Thema Mundi. Again, Saturn represents the opposition, Jupiter the trine, and Venus the sextile. There's a kind of a modern take on ancient traditions that says that those are the only relevant configurations. They kind of I don't want to be controversial, but there's people that say like that the aversion isn't as valid as the other aspects, and like things that like inconjunct or semi-sextile don't have as much relevance. In some Hellenistic traditions, they don't even recognize them. I don't I don't have the same opinion. I think they're much more mercurial, because when we look at the Thema Mundi, Mercury is positioned as the potential governor of those